This listing brought to you by the Elson team at Remax Ability Plus. Overlooking the pond and backing to the trees of Fort Benjamin Harrison State Park, you'll find this spacious home west/lots to offer. Open floor plan is freshly painted. Family room west/corner Frplc has gas starter and floor-to-ceiling brick. It opens to an 18 by 15 kitchen/breakfast room that features a large center island bar and plenty of counterspace and cabinets. The screened porch and patio off Bkfst Rm is perfect to enjoy the peaceful view. Hot tub is negotiable. There is lots of great storage space from the walk-in pantry to the closet under the stairs. Upstairs there are 3 sizable bedrooms. Owner's retreat has a spa tub plus separate shwr, double vanities and walk-in closet. A 3-car garage on top of that plus all new windows, 2020, gas heat, air conditioner and new ductwork, 2017.